Are you ready to unlock everything you love in one amazing experience with Westman InfiniTV? Get ready for a world designed to simplify your life by making your TV smarter and accessing entertainment easier. You can now enjoy Westman Live TV, video on demand, and streaming entertainment like Prime Video, Disney+, Crave, and Westman Go apps in one place. And it all starts with this remote. Let's explore some of the great features you are going to love. This is the Android app screen. Think of this as the starting place for all your TV watching needs. To get here, using your remote, select the Apps icon on your Android TV home screen. Here you will find all your downloaded apps, including your InfiniTV app. To enter your InfiniTV app experience, select the InfiniTV app by pressing the My TV button on your remote. This is where your TV experience truly begins. This is the InfiniTV app features bar. This will be the hub spot for your TV viewing experience and all the available features you can take advantage of. To get to the features bar at any time while you're in the app, all you have to do is press the My TV button on your remote. Here, there are great features that you will come to know and love. Some of these features include My InfiniTV, Live TV Guide, Recordings, On Demand, and A to Z categories. We'll walk you through how to take advantage of some of the features we have just listed. Let's start with the My InfiniTV, as this gives you a more modern and visually rich layout, making it easier to find and watch shows you love. Here you will find sections such as Continue Watching, Most Watched On Demand, and Live TV Recommendations. Enjoy a friendly user experience with these great sections without having to scroll through the grid-style guide. On the theme of not having to scroll, you'll love this feature. We have designed a categories option in the features bar for easy navigation of channels. There you will find categories like news, sports, networks, movies, and more. Pick a category that you love and then select one of the channels within that section. You'll also have the option to view your TV channels in a grid-style TV display. This guide displays channel numbers, show titles, and the network, making it easier to find your favorite shows by scrolling through the list of options. In the Live TV Guide, you now have the freedom to restart shows in progress with Restart TV. Just look for the restart symbol on your channel guide to see if the function is available on the channel you would like to watch. Click OK on the show to watch it, and then OK again to bring up the Live TV options, which will display the restart symbol for you to click on. You can also scroll back in time on your guide to watch shows from the past. Just look for the shows in the past that are highlighted light gray to see if the function is available. Save time when you're looking for your favorite show on your streaming services by using your voice. Press the Google Assistant button on your remote and wait for the prompt to appear. Play Yellowstone on my TV. You can use the voice control outside of the InfiniTV app to find content. It's time for a clear divide between users. If you live with roommates, a partner, or family members, this setup will help you improve everyone's experience. You can add up to 6 different user profiles. In the Westman InfiniTV app features bar on the left-hand side, scroll down to your profile name and select Users, then Add User. This sums up Westman InfiniTV. All the content you love is right at the tip of your fingers. Enjoy your TV viewing experience.